Kublai Shibon Pibara akibat cepat jakan ka channel mana kapor syakapor. Dehakan ka video komta ngan pentip sepi yaki kubar laikam balapan mi deka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency MBMA. Kelapan mi hado khatan teliki pos bat kajaka kandai hapo East and West Khasi Hill District Mairang. Badia kaniki pos bapia ban apply kandai yaki kandidat ke balapan tep yaka kelas 12 lane graduate yo ban apply. Tilada piko ban tip company hak baidai berkini post te sapet ya kena ke video hadu bandakut kenang bapin sutu company hak baidai bat kini post badia ki jingkan kam. Te kame Meghalaya Basin Management Agency MBMA kakot online application na kabanta ki post integrated village cooperative society IVCS kabadai hapo East and West Khasi Hill District. Pela dadon na pedang jong pigi kandidat ki baku aban apply kini post tes apply but ya kini post kandai haka contractual basis temen tang ine pe jaki jinan kam baro kakertang jong post kadai manager IVCS qualification class 12 or graduate in any discipline, experience minimum of 1 year working experience with existing community based institution or NGOs, well versed with the different value chain-based activity existing in the local area. Strictly candidate from area of operation of IVCS will be preferred. Skill required should have strong written verbal communication, organization and administrative skill. Computer literate with good knowledge in MS Office, Google Sheet, etc. Should be familiar with record keeping and bookkeeping. Age limit kadai hadu life name. Language preference kadai khasi garo bacengtia. Number of vacancy hadu kasan teliki post baro kibalak. Place of posting Mairang block new teliki post Batmau Teresan block prateliki post kajing seu kadai new hajar sanspa akasibanai bat pidang yo ru sakiwai ki allowance. Ya kini post kandai haka contractual basis kadai sistem bat kinang la ban renew kat kum kajing tray kajong pi haka kam bapitray. Tekum no bapin apply kini post. For applying the above position candidate have to fill the application form from the following link. Tiga kali yang sabu apokah description below. Bat kim sya yaki application bapin submit haki wiki online mode. Tilada pikwa ban apply kini post desa pulebha haswa bapin pendap yaki jington kam. Badia ka last date ban submit yaki application kin pedeng hadu ka arpunutrik November arjar arpusau hadu ka san bajaya janmit. Nang ta ka selection procedure kanton ka written exam lane assignment bat ka personal interview. Badia ka written exam lane interview kin penle haki block headquarter. Ki candidate ki ba qualify ya ka written test kin syakot haki interview. Ketang kini kiji pentip haka bedai berkine Kublai Shibon.